In this video, we will see top 10 OOPS interview question and answer. Simple English with real example. What is OOPS? Object Oriented Programming. Object Oriented Programming is a programming style where we create objects that contain both data variable and behavior method. Real example. A car a car is an object. Data, color, brand, speed, behavior, start, stop, accelerator. Example, we have a class car, color is red and function is start, which is printing car started. Everything in Java resolve around object. What is class? A class is a blueprint used to create object. Real example. Think of a house blueprint. Many houses can be built from the same blueprint. Java example, class student, string name, second variable is age, integer age. A class does not use memory until an object is created. What is an object? An object is a real instance of a class. Real example, class mobile design, object your Samsung phone. Object can be my iPhone. Okay, let's see example. Student S1 equal to new student. We are creating an class object here. Object can have different values but come from the same class. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation means wrapping data and method into a one unit and protecting data using private variables. Real example, an ATM hides its internal process, only enter the pin, withdraw money. Let's see Java example. We have created a class, we have defined a int variable salary, and we have created a set method, set salary, integer set salary. This dot salary equal to salary. Public integer get salary. We are getting salary from this function. That means we are getting value of salary, but we are not directly using the variable in salary. We are not directly using, we are just using this function only, and this function is fetching value of instance variable. Interview tip. Use private variable with getter and setter method. What is inheritance? Inheritance allows one class to use the properties and method of another class. Real example, a child inherits quality of quality from parents. Java example, class animal void eat. Here is a eat function is animal class, and class dog extends the animal. That means dog class is also getting behavior of animal class. Dog class also have the eat function. Output will be eating. We have to create an object of dog class and we can easily call eat function. That's it. Interview tip. Inheritance helps in code reuse. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism means one method can perform different tasks depending on the object. Real example. A person behaves differently at work and at home. Same person, but he have different behavior. Let's say example. Class animal, wide sound. We have sound function in animal class. Class dog, instant animal, wide sound, and printing bark. Both have sound function, but it is printing bark, but parent one is printing animal sound. If we are going to create dog object and we are going to call sound function, then definitely he is going to call the a function sound of same class. Okay, we have we have two type of method overloading: compile time and runtime. What is abstraction? Abstraction means showing only important details while hiding internal implementation. Real example: you drive a car without knowing how the engine works. We have created an abstract class vehicle here, and we have defined a start function, and class bike extends vehicle, and inside of vehicle we are calling start function and printing bike started. Abstraction is using abstract class interface. What is method overloading? Method overloading means having multiple method with the same name but different parameters. Real example: you can call the same person using name, phone number, email. Different ways to call the same, different ways for same purpose. Java example: class calculator. We have created add function. If we are going to pass two parameter, then it will we will get sum of two parameter. But there is one add function also. If we are going to pass three parameter, then we will get the sum of three parameters. Let's see interview trip. Overloading happens at compile time only. What is method overloading? Method overloading means a child class provides its own implementation of a parent class. Real example: every animal walks differently. Java example: class animal, white sound, animal sound, cat extend animal, and we are overriding sound function, and cat sounds mew. The output will be mew. Overwriting happens at runtime only. What is the difference between interface and abstract class? Abstract class can have abstract and normal method. Mostly abstract, but in the interface, mostly abstract method. Modern Java also allow the default and static method. That means after Java 8, we can define default and static method also in interface. In abstract class can have construction, but in the interface cannot have construction. Abstract class supports instance variable, but interface typically use constant public static final. We have to use extends to extend the abstract class, but for interface we use implements. Let's see real example. Abstract class is basic car design, but interface driving rules that every vehicle must follow. Let's see example. Interface animal, we have defined a sound function. In class dog, it implements animal and override sound function, and function is printing bar. Use an interface when different classes should follow the same contract. Use an abstract class when classes share common code and behavior. Let's see quick interview revision. What is OOPS? Programming using object and classes. If we are going to programming with using object and classes, then we will follow OOPS concept. What is class? Blueprint for creating objects. What is object? Instance of class. What is encapsulation? Hiding data using private variable. What is inheritance? Child class uses parent class feature. What is polymorphism? One method, many behavior. What is abstraction? Hide implementation showing functionality only. What is method overloading? Same method name different parameter. What is method overriding? Child class changes parent method behavior. Interface versus abstract class. Interface defines a contract. Abstract class provides shared implementation. Okay, thank you.